So after login our Gmail ID, click on apps, then click on blogger, then click on blogger. See, then click on view blog. Last class we seen up to the hot post. Next one is pages. Then see, so what is the difference between pages and blog post? Blog post we are using for keep on daily updates. For daily updates we will be publish a content through post, but pages we will be create only one time. Pages it will be describe about our website, like about us page, about our blog. And contact us page, you will be define our contact details. Service page, what are the services will be offering. Just will be create only one time. How to create a pages? In our blogger backend there is option pages. Click on pages, then click on new page. See what are the options we see in our blog post. The same options is available for pages also. The page name is about us. You mention about blog. Why you created this blog, the reasons, and what are the information you're trying to providing. You will be add these details in our content, and you will be mention our author details, mention our author profile. So who is the author of this blog and what they have past experience, and you have to mention these details. And if you want publish a page, click on publish it, then click on confirm. If you want to create a new page, again click on new page, then the page name is contact us. Add our contact details, location. You will be add address, door number, email ID, mobile number, whatever. Mobile number and email ID. Like you will be add all the details. Then if you want to integrate a map also, you can integrate. For example, as per our business location, you will be integrate our map. Your business location in Amirpet. Just you can go to the Google, type Amirpet. For example, this is a map. How to create our own map also I will tell you in our SEO module. If you want to integrate the map, click on the maps. So this is a map. Then click on share. Then click on embed a map. See, you remember yesterday we used this iframe code for YouTube videos. Same we are using for the map also. The map sizes you can select. You can select the custom width and height, and you have to increase the large map. You select the large. Small map you can select the small. Medium sizes you can select the medium size. Then click on copy HTML. Go to our page. Packet. Then click on HTML view. Then paste our code. At the end you will be paste our code. Then click on compose. Compose view means front view. Then click on publish. Then click on confirm. For publishing our page, just if you want check a preview, click on the view. Now you will be add all the details. I'm not adding, just you can add it and what's up. Here your map address it will be showing on in our web page. This is the way the people they are adding the location address, your business location address in their websites. How to create your own location I will tell you in SEO module. If you don't want this page, if you want to delete this page, click on delete. There is option delete this page. If you want to put as a revert to draft mode means unpublish. You can use this option. If you want to view the preview, click on view. Like that, you will be create our pages. Here, when I click on the about menu, the about us page should be the open. When I click on the contact us page should be the open. This is comes under top navigation menus. See here, what are the top navigation menus? About and contact. How to check a preview of the page? Just go to the about us, click on view. Now, this is our about us page. Copy the page URL. Copy page URL. Then go to your layout. Then there is an option is the top navigation, edit, and edit about menu. Remove the existing URL. Already some existing URL is there, just you can remove. Select and backspace or delete. Paste your about us page URL, then click on save. And again click on save and click on save settings. Click on view blog. Now when I click on the about us page should be open. When I click on about, the about us page should be the open. Now when I click on the contact us page also should be the open. Then what are the steps you are doing? Tell me. What is the first step? First go to the pages. First click on the view of the page. Copy the contact us page URL. Then go to layout. Edit top navigation. Edit contact. Remove the existing URL. Paste our contact us page URL. Then click on save. Here, if you want add your one more menu, you can add it. How to add a menus? You remember yesterday I said. New site name is menu name. For example, I want to add a one more menu. The menu name is services. Then here, which URL you want to add? Services page URL. You will be add services page URL. Later you will be add. Just now I'm using hash symbol, and I'm arranging the menus using up arrows and down arrows. Then click on save, and again click on save, and refresh your website. See, the services also is showing in top navigation. When I click on the contact us page should be the open. See, this is the contact us page. Like you will be create our pages, then you will be give a links to our top navigation menus. Next one, social profile links. So what are the social profile links? You have Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest and Instagram. Google Plus is not there. Instead of the Google Plus, you will be add a LinkedIn. Profile links. How do you add a profile links? How do you create these profile pages? I will tell you in our social module. Example, take your profile URL, whatever. Copy the URL. Just go to our layout. Every options is available in layout, and edit social top link list. See, edit Facebook. Remove the existing URL. Add our Facebook profile URL. Where you will get a profile URL? After login in our Facebook account, click on our profile name. Copy the URL. That is our profile URL. Then click on save. Not only profile, you will be adding pages also. Facebook pages, LinkedIn pages, Instagram profile. How to add these links you will be learn. See, like you will be add your Facebook URL, then Twitter profile. Everyone have a Twitter profile. So we will be add our Twitter profile also. Then Google Plus. Google Plus is not there. Just install the Google Plus. Will be add a LinkedIn. Then click on save, and here you will be add our LinkedIn profile URL. Then click on save, refresh, and refresh your website. See the LinkedIn is added, and once you will be click on the Facebook profile page it will be open. It will be showing like this. This is my page. How to create our own page, I will tell you later. Next one, logo. So I want to design a logo of my website. So if you want to design a logo, you are not a designer. You don't know how to designing also. Then first you should know about what is the logo width and height. The logo sizes. The logo sizes is available on in our template folder also. Go to your template extracted folder. Then the logo is there. Just will be place the mouse cursor. Check the dimensions. Width is 219. Height is the 57. This is the width and this is the height. Right click and check the properties details also. Width is 219 and height is the 57. See, observe, this is a what type of the logo? This is a horizontal logo. This is not a square logo. Square logo means width and height it should be the same dimensions. This is a horizontal logo. You should design like that. For designing, you are not an expert to designing. You don't know Photoshop. I thought you don't know Corel or anything. Then how to design? If you want design, you can design easily using the third-party tools Canva. You will be learn this Canva. This is very easy. See, go to the Google, type Canva. With help of this tool, we will be design our own logos. Go to the website canva.com. Initially, what you are doing, you have to create your account. Click on sign up, or you should be sign up with your Gmail ID also. Sign up with your Gmail ID. Click on login with Google account. Continue at the digital voice. Then click on confirm. Now I'm going directly login with a Gmail. Take a student and take a student. Choose others. Then click on continue. Skip this step. This is not required. To invite your members, skip this step. And what you want to make, see, this is the best tool. You will be creating different templates, not only for logo, flyers, brochures, PPTs, video templates, and slideshows, and Instagram posts, LinkedIn posts, Facebook posts. There is so many templates is available. And free time you can check all the templates size. YouTube thumbnails also, even though you can make your YouTube thumbnails. Just you will be type logo. I want to design a logo, enter. Skip this too. So there is a different types of the categories logo. Is there gaming, animation, and badges, badge type, art, design, fashion, brand. So there is a different categories logos is available here. CAF logo. So you can take this one. So take the horizontal one. Don't take a square logo like this. Don't take a square logo. See, this is a square type. Just we will be taking horizontal logos like this type of the logos or this type of the logos, whatever. Here, see, if you want edit the text, you can edit. See, double click. What is our website name? Techno Screen Share. TSS, or you can mention Techno Screen Share. Reduce the sizes and size of the logos. If you want a tagline, you can make it. Otherwise, you can remove. Now, this is the technology relevant logo. This is a technology relevant logo. If you want change of font styles also, will be changed. Go to the text. There is a different font styles is available, or there is option is the direct text. You can use the different options for the text elements like this, showing complete address. You can use the different text formats. Here you can use, or you can use the different text fonts, font different. You can use the different fonts. Then you add some elements, and this is some technology relevant. Then you will be type technology. Technology relevant elements is there. You can try to use the free one. You cannot use the premium one. And use a free elements. reduce the sizes, hold the shift button, reduce the sizes, then you can use this, send it to, right click on our object, say right click on our object, send it to bring backend. There is option is there, see, send it to backward. Backward means the object it will be going to back on our screen. If you don't want these elements, you can remove it. Like that, we will be design. Like you will be design our logo like this. Techno screen shape. Then font change this font only. Select the text and change it another styles. Like this. See, add a background colors. Add a backgrounds, and you will be change the text colors. Whatever text colors if you want, you can change it. So after creating the logo, now if you want use this logo, so you have to resize it. What is the resizes? What or width is 219, height is a 56. But the resizing is the premium option here. If you are affordable, you can take a premium. That is the best one. But if you are not, if there is a premium option, that's what we are doing. Just you can download as a normal logo. Click on download. Now download as a, what is the sizes? 500 is the width and 500 is the height. It will be downloaded these dimensions. Download in PNG format. Suggestible is PNG. Why PNG? Background is not coming with PNG. Every time you should be downloaded in PNG only. Then click on download. If you are selecting the JPEG, the background white color is coming. Now, after downloading, I want to crop this logo. I want to crop. How to crop? Open this logo with Microsoft Office Picture Manager. There is a one tool for MS Office, Microsoft Office Picture Manager. Open your image in this tool. See, when you click on the autocorrect, it will be going to highlight autocorrect. Then if you want to crop your image, go to the picture, click on crop. Just will be crop. So what type of the logo we require? Horizontal logo. Just will be mention the horizontal logo sizes. Just will be click on OK. Now what is the width is 292, height is the 150. Whatever the crop, what are the chances you have to reduce the images crop. Then you will be try with these dimensions, then click on save, and just you can try. Later what you are doing, you have to reduce the spaces also. See these spaces, the letter space or line height space, like you can reduce this here. Just you can reduce like that. Like you can use these elements and you can use the background images will be add when you click on the See backgrounds. When you click on the backgrounds, we'll be added some more background images also. There is a different background textures is available. You will be use this. It is taking entire one image. You can use the background images also. You can use. But we have a white background for our website. That's why I'm not using any backgrounds. And after saving, if you want to upload our logo, go to our Blogger backend, click on layout. There is option header logo, edit header logo. Remove image, choose file, upload logo from our downloads. Click on save and again click on save and refresh your website. So it will be showing like that. It will be showing as a some small image, showing as a some small image. If you want design perfectly, you will be use this Photoshop or CorelDRAW. Or if you want to reduce the sizes, you have to reduce the sizes. Then again you will be try with these logos. The letter spaces height you will be reduced. Then you will be try this things. Like that you will be design our logo. And again it should be crop. Open with Microsoft Office Picture Manager. Click on autocorrect. Then click on crop. Then click on save. Try with this one. Just to come. This is some feel better. Then click on save and refresh your website. See, this is some better. The previous than you have to reduce the sizes. Then it will be appearance on in our screen. Understand? Okay, that's why I'm telling to take a horizontal one. Take a horizontal one. Don't take as a square type. Will be crop also. See, at the time of the doing the cropping also, you have to choose a horizontal one. See, if you are reducing these sizes also, it will be going to fit. Okay, you will be design. Just will be try. Spend more time this week on this Canva tool. And try it with the remaining designs. Just you can see the templates. Because of you should know about the graphic designing also, digital marketing people should basic idea at the time of the creating the post in Facebook or LinkedIn social media channels. You will also try to creating. See, not only for Canva, there is some other tools is there. Post from my wall. See, this is also one of the best tool. So poster my wall. This is also one of the best tool. You will be create your different templates. But Canva is a free. Everyone can use it. But in this poster my wall, you will get a copyright. Then different templates is available. Flyers. See, different flyers and YouTube thumbnails, certificates, and you can design with Canva and Poster Memos. This is the top two tools. Should know about the graphic designing also, you guys. This week you will be practice on these things, and Monday we'll see on the remaining topics and header images and remaining topics we'll see on Monday. Tomorrow no class, and I will check each and every one blog on Monday. Okay, please do it.